United Nations should consider American president
او د ځان لپاره کوم بل ځای مناسب انتخاب کړي. زموږ د فقه ټول کتابونه لیکي چې کچیرته کافران د مسلمانانو د کوم هیواد د خاورې په حریم باندې حمله وکړي، دغه هیواد په مسلمانان جهاد فرض عین ګرځي او د قرآن کریم آیاتونه او احادیث مبارکه او د فقه ټول کتابونه مسلمانانو ته د جهاد امر کوي.
The books of our school of religion write that if infidels attack the territory of a country of Muslim, jihad becomes an Islamic obligation for the Muslims of that country.
Encourage him to leave Afghanistan. Will Afghan government protect him for the end?
This is was a very complicated incident. There is many probabilities whose are the real culprits behind this event. If there is no evidence in proof given to us, that we will not be ready to give Osama bin Laden without any proof. Laden to leave Afghanistan of his own free will and possible time. This is a suggestion by the ulama. It is not a decision by a judge. So I wanted to clarify this furthermore. Our position in this regard is that if America have evidence and proofs, they should produce it, and we are ready for the trial of Osama bin Laden in the light of evidence. It would be then a showdown of might, but if America wants to prove, and we are ready to cooperate, as we always said. But if they capitalize on the familiarity of Osama and level such allegation, that would be another motive of them. Or even if the American FBI and other agencies want to escape their failure of 5,000 people killed, and for that reason they want to put the blame on Osama bin Laden, that would not be that they are really trying to capture the real culprit. And as we said, we would cooperate if they really want to know the real culprit. But if they want to show their might and they are resorting to power and might, it should be well known that we will never surrender to evil and might.
This is the big bit. You can't find its translation. The government of Pakistan has taken note of the recommendation of the Afghan ulama advising their government to persuade Osama bin Laden to voluntarily leave Afghanistan. We hope that the Taliban leadership, keeping in view the gravity of the situation, will take a prompt decision which is in the interest of Afghanistan and its people, and which satisfies the concerns and demands of the international community.